Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel from San Antonio, Texas. Yes, we are still here. Tonight we are going to Max and Louie's to have a proper American diner experience. Got Chris with me pulling faces in the background, and yeah, let's go. Come along. Tristan's turkey dinner, and that's a whole heap of turkey. Now that is a pasta bolognese, but Emma's chicken parmesan.
Yeah, it's
wow,
ginormous.
Are you going to eat it all?
Possibly not.
What do you get, Chris?
I got a roast beef sandwich with au jus and fries.
That was good.
Every time we come here, we've been like...
Well, I wimped out on the garlic bread, but Chris has wimped out on a half a sandwich, and Deb just hasn't even tried after she chokes. Ellie's still going, Tristan's going to go nowhere near, and Emma's struggling. And Deb's still choking.
No, it's fine.
I love the fish you have.
Look at the losers. All with their to-go boxes.
That'll make a heck of a sandwich tomorrow, too.
What, all the turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That great. Where's the pot? Eddie's
Candy?
What?
Nothing, Chris.
The only reason you ate your finished.
So folks, that was Max and Louie's. Sorry it was a short video, but...
Hey Terry,
Yes?
do you want to see my ding dong?
Ding dong cake. Yeah. Anywho, it's a short video because, you know, I'm not very good at food vlogs in places like that, because all I want to do is stuff my face, and that's what I've done.
You did a good job.
You've done a very good job. And speaking of jobs, now it's time to do your job.